So we are headed out of town, finally. It's taken us way too long to get going this morning, but we are finally getting on the road.
All right, here we go. Are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, you excited?
I'm excited.
Because today is vacation. We're taking off. It's a travel day as we head to Outer Banks, North Carolina. We're going to go visit Camp Hattears, which we've heard great things about. We've had fellow YouTubers and social media people go and check it out. They said they really enjoyed it. So here we go.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's do it. Let's go. Good, thank you. Michael Larson. Michael, if
you'll pull up in lane 2, I'll get you paper for you.
Perfect, thank you.
No matter how far I know, you come back to me. I'm your summer breeze. Your summer breeze.
About 3 feet, 4 feet past our spot. Are you mean to go? Okay. These are tight spots. Holy cow.
Yeah, they are. Don't need to start.
Turn. Yeah, start turning. I guess you'll probably hit the grass. Turn. Wow, babe. So you're getting ready to pass it. You're almost halfway through the driveway right now.
So I need to have more return?
Yeah, I'm assuming. Because where do you want the back to be? Like, when do you want to start turning?
I want to take it hit the grass, so.
Okay. So the back is right at the corner of the thing. Are you turning? Yep. Keep coming. Keep coming. I think you're doing good, I think. Keep coming. Wow, okay. Ooh. Need to go tighter. Keep coming. Keep coming. There's a water thing back here. You may have to go forward. Keep coming because you're going to have to pass that. Okay, I think you're doing good. You're hitting the grass, but you're... Keep coming. Keep coming. Oh, I hope I'm good at this. Keep coming.
I might have to cut. I think I'm gonna have to cut the corner tighter.
You think so?
Yeah.
You don't think you're good enough? Okay.
Hey everyone, we made it.
Yes, we are here. Made it in one piece.
We in one piece, yeah. We had a 5-hour drive from where we came from, which isn't too bad. We only had one moment where we thought maybe we were going to go to heaven early.
Yeah, I don't know. Some young kid thought he was going to pass along with the car in front of him on a 2-lane highway, and holy cow, my heart skipped a few beats.
Yeah, because you guys know what I mean. When we're at 44 feet plus a truck, we're at about 61 feet, and we're pushing a lot of weight, and you can't just pull out in front of us and think we can stop on a dime. So both of us were like, all right. So that went good. What else? The other thing we noticed was there's not a lot of truck stops once you get on the other side of Raleigh, North Carolina. So I don't know, for us, we'll have to do more research to see if there are some places, you know, because for us, we're like 13 feet 6 inches high. So, you know, we have to pay attention to canopies at gas stations. Plus, we're 44 feet, so that's something we want to kind of research to see if there is any. But we had enough gas, so we made it here fine. Just beautiful on the way over once we hit the bridges, over the inlets. What did you think?
Yeah, it was gorgeous. I mean, the weather's getting so much nicer, which makes it a lot easier to travel, that's for sure. And traveling during daylight is definitely a plus.
Yeah, and when you're driving down those roads, it's so pretty once you get closer to Hatteras and you see the sand dunes, and you got the ocean on one side and the inlet on the other, and you kind of want to stare at both and not keep your eyes on the road, but keep your eyes on the road.
Yeah.
So yeah, we pulled here, and what did you think of our greeting?
Yeah, I mean, the people at the campground are really friendly. We got to our spot, and I would definitely say it's probably one of the more narrow spots that we've had to maneuver into. So it took a few tries. It was a little tight out there, just not only with campers, but with cars parked in their spots as well. So our neighbors were nice. I think they both asked if they could move their rigs for us, right?
Their trucks, yeah. And Jeep, one had a Jeep, one had a truck, but I was able to get in between them and get backed up. And of course, you guys know after you're done driving for the day, you just want to be done. And sometimes you go a little too quick, and like we did today, and I'm sure some of you have done it, tell the truth. So we lined up, and I made the mistake of disconnecting already, but the slide was in the way of the electric pole. How many of you have done that? So guess what? I had to hook back up to the fifth wheel and bring it back just a little bit, so then we were all good. But you know, it's like one of those things you're like, oh man, I should check for that. I know better.
Yeah, and it was the first long haul we've made with our new truck and new hitch. Yeah. So when we tried to pull out, when Michael tried to pull out of the from behind the camper, the camper was a little too high. Yeah. And so the hitch wouldn't unhitch, and we're like, oh my gosh, did we break the hitch? But you
just needed to read a little more pressure.
Finagled it.
Bring it up just a little bit higher.
Yeah, so we're like, hopefully this is not the beginning of Myrtle Beach take 2.
Oh, not doing that. No, matter of fact, everything went smooth. Water's working, all that stuff that you got to do, everything is going good. And we have a bird singing to us, welcoming us to Hatteras. So anyway, guys, so far with the park, we haven't been able to go around it too much, other than to tell you that it is tight spots to back into. If you got a big rig like ours, it's definitely really tight to back into. So, that is going to conclude our day one over to Camp Hatteras. We're here in the Outer Banks. So we're going to go get some dinner now.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's do it.
it.